I gave you my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing Tri-Mini expandable tripod. This tripod can extend up to 14 and 20 cm high. This is a multi-purpose tripod. You can keep smartphone, camera, projector, etc. It also has a 90-degree adjustable angle. It is available in two colors, a silver and a black. I have a silver one. So let's unbox it. Every com has given also a cover to carry your tripod anywhere you go. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.